Did you know Allah knows the fall of every single leaf on earth, no matter where it lands? Today, let's uncover 10 breathtaking qualities of Allah that prove His unmatched greatness. From His dominion over life and death to His unimaginable creations, each quality reveals the Creator's infinite power and wisdom. Stay till the end to discover a final truth that could change how you see the world and your connection with Allah forever. Every star, galaxy and atom belongs to Allah. Nothing moves or exists without His command. Allah alone decides when life begins and ends, reminding us of His ultimate authority over our existence. From the secrets buried deep in the earth to the mysteries of the heavens, Allah's knowledge has no limits. Not a single leaf falls, not a grain rests in the soil without His knowledge. Such is the depth of Allah's awareness. Every action, thought and event, seen or unseen, is perfectly recorded by Allah. The angel Jibreel, with 600 immense wings, showcases the unimaginable scale of Allah's creations. The angels carrying Allah's throne are so vast that the distance between their ear and shoulder spans 700 years of travel. If these angels are so grand, imagine the magnificence of the throne. They uphold a true reflection of Allah's power. The sun, moon, mountains and stars all prostrate to Allah, acknowledging His greatness. Uniquely, humans and jinn have free will. Some submit, others turn away. This freedom is a profound gift and responsibility. Reflecting on Allah's qualities reminds us of His infinite greatness and mercy. As we ponder His creation, let's remember those who have passed, especially my late parents. May Allah guide us and bless us all.